Hello friends, welcome back to my session. In today's session, let's cover the Python number system. As you are aware, there are many number systems. To name a few of them are the decimal number system, the binary number system, the hexadecimal number system, octal number system. And today let's see what all number system Python supports. So Python basically supports 4 number systems. They are the decimal number system, the the binary number system, the octal number system, and the hexadecimal number system. So friends, what is a decimal number system? It is a number in base 10 system. It can have values 0 to 9. What is a binary number system? It is a base 2 system. Binary number system is a base 2 system which can have values 0 and 1s. What is an octal number system? It is a base 8 number system. It can have values 0 to 7. And finally, the hexadecimal number system. It is a base 16 number system which can have numbers from 0 to 9 and alphabets from A to F, where A represents 10, B represents 11, C represents 12, D represents 13, E represents 14, and F represents 15. So, these are the different number systems available in Python programming language, and these are the different bases and the values in each of these numbers. And friends, in this session, let's also see how to convert a number from decimal number system into a binary number system, a decimal number system to an octal number system, and a decimal number system into a hexadecimal number system. And also we can see how to convert, we shall also see how to convert a binary number into a decimal, an octal number into a decimal, and a hexadecimal number also into a decimal. So we'll basically see 6 types of conversions in this particular session. So in brief, we will convert, let's take a decimal integer number, decimal system number, say 120, which we shall convert it into a binary number. So for this, Python has got a built-in function called bin, to which if you pass the integer value, it will give out the binary representation of this particular integer value. Python gives it out automatically, but now let's solve and see what is the binary representation of 120. Since it is base 2, we have to keep on dividing it by 2. Again divide it by 2. Again divide it by 2. 2 sevens are 14, 1 remainder. 2 threes are 6, 1 remainder. 2 ones are 1, 1 remainder. And once you divide it, you no longer can divide 1 by 2. So you have to stop at this particular instance and then traverse from bottom to top. So the number would be 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0. So the binary representation of the number 120 would be 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0. And when Python gives out this number, it will append it with a 0 and a small b and give it out in a string representation. So this is how Python returns the value of 120. Now let's check out in the octal format. For that, Python has got a built-in function of, if you pass the value 120, it will return it in octal format. So let's check out what is the value of 120 in the octal format. you have to keep on dividing it by 8. So it is 15s are and remainder is 0, and 8 ones are 8 and remainder would be 7. So the octal representation of the number 120 would be 1, 7 and then a 0. You can cross check it and see. 7 into 8 to the power of 1, 8 to the power of 2. 8s are 64 plus 7 8s are 56. So you get 120. So it is 1, 7 and 0. The octal representation of the number 120 would be 1, 7 and 0. And since Python represents it as a string, we get it in the string format, and it will prefix it with 0 and a small o. This is how Python inbuilt function oct returns the value. And now for hexadecimal, we have a hex function, built-in function, to which if you pass 120, it will return it in string representation 0 and x, and will pass the value. Let's see what the value is. 120 when you divide it by 16. So 16 into 7 we take 42, 7, 112. So 7 sir is 112 and the remainder is 8. So if you check it, cross check it, it will be 8 plus 7 into 16 power 1. 16 sevens are 112 plus 8, you get 120. So it will return the value 7 and then 8. So it will return the value 7 and then an 8. So this is how the built-in function binary, oct and hex work in Python programming language. Now let's see the other way around, how to convert a binary digit into a decimal number system, that is an integer value, how to convert from octal to integer, and how to convert from hexadecimal to integer. Let's take the first case, that is from binary to int. Python has got an inbuilt function called int, to which you have to pass in the binary digit. Let's say I'm passing 1010, and it will give out in the integer format. So 1010, 2 power 0 plus 2 power 1 plus 0 plus 2 power 3. 2 power 3, 2 power 2, 2 power 1, 2 power 0, which is equal to 10. So it will give out the value 10, which is the integer representation of the number. Now let's say we go to the octal to int representation. The same int built-in function is there, and we have to pass the octal number. I pass 100. So what is the equivalent of 100 in the integer format? 100. It will be 8 to the power of 0, 0 into 8 to the power of 1, plus 1 into 8 to the power of 2. 8 into 8 is 64. So this value would be equal to 64. The integer value would be 64. Now from hexa to int, we have the same built-in function, but we have to pass the hexa representation of the number. So I am passing 8 and then a C. Let's see what the result would be. Since it is having 8 and C, hexa, C is nothing but A is equal to 10, B is 11, C is 12. So 12 into 16 to the power of 0 plus 8 into 16 to the power of 1. So this will be 12 into 1 is 12, 16 8s are. So what is 16 into 8? So 48, 8 ones are 8. It is 128. 8 6 are 48, 8 ones are 8 plus 4 is 12. So 128 plus 12. So this is nothing but 140. So the integer value for this hexa representation would be equal to 140. So this is how Python does the conversion. I have done some manual calculations, but when you give int and the binary number, it will directly give you the integer representation. If you give int and octal number, it will give the integer representation. Int and the hexadecimal representation, it will give the value in int. So I hope you're clear on the concepts of the different number system which Python supports. If you have any doubt, please do let me know in the comment section. If you like my video, click on the like button and please do subscribe to my channel to get notifications of my new videos. Till then, see you. Bye bye.